The pool at the Lake Wales Recreation Complex is now open to residents. Free swim lessons are available and water aerobics classes are coming soon.
And self-service kayaks are available to rent at Lake Wales Park.
The City of Lake Wales and the YMCA are offering free swim lessons to city residents. Adults, children, and newborns 6 months and older are eligible. And you don't have to be a member of the YMCA to take advantage of this city perk. We're in the process of scheduling a series of water aerobics classes. These are available to members of the YMCA. A list of classes will be posted to the city's website and social media accounts.
Residents and visitors are taking to the water on Lake Wales with the city's new self-service kayaks. They're located on the boat ramp on the north side of the lake. It's simple. Download the app, rent.fun, sign a short waiver, and submit payment. Minors must be registered by an adult. Residents and visitors access the kayaks, accessories, and life jackets from automated lockers. It's convenient and easy to use.
Looking for some fun? We've got a series of events coming your way.
Interested in live music? Lake Wales Live is scheduled to return in September. More details are headed your way.
Halloween is creeping up on us. We've got big plans for a spooky outdoor movie and lots of fun activities.
Keep an eye out for all the details on all these events on the city's website and social media platforms.
Stay connected with us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to us on Nextdoor and sign up to receive the city's digital newsletter.